Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send money on Revolut 18 app. First of all, the payments should be enabled, guys. The parent needs to enable the payments feature in their Revolut app for the under 18 account. This requires adding the child's phone number to the under 18 app, and the child's phone number must also be added to under 18 app. Then you can send the money. Open the Revolut under 18 app and go to payments on the bottom menu. Tap discover payments and select add phone number. Enter the phone number and tap continue. You need to tap allow access to your contacts and then you need to tap new to select a recipient or choose from the suggested list. Enter the amount, add a note or GIF and tap send and your money will be sent, guys. But if you're sending for the first time, the first payment to a new recipient may require the parent's approval, guys. Once it will be approved by parent, subsequent payments to the same recipient will not require parental approval anymore, guys. So that's how you can send money on Revolut under 18 app. That's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.